The design, implementation, and management of various controls to protect confidentiality, integrity, and availability are overseen by security professionals. This is a huge responsibility and provides a significant challenge. It's challenging because building a comprehensive security program needs to be sound. It's time-consuming, it requires expertise in the field of information security, and must provide adequate security coverage to protect the organization. The good news is that security professionals can reference control frameworks that have already been designed, which have stood the test of time. While these types of frameworks must still be tailored to each organization's specific needs, thus provide a good starting point for security professionals. While there are many different control frameworks that cover information security, we will look at the most common ones. The Control Objectives for Information Technology, or COBIT, is a security control framework developed by the Information Systems Audit and Control Association. COBIT provides an implementable set of controls, information technology, and organizes them around a logical framework of IT-related processes and enablers. I have gone ahead and downloaded the PDF version of COBIT. COBIT is available free of charge online. Simply go to google.com and type in COBIT PDF and this document will appear. While you do not need to know the details of COBIT end to end, it is important you familiarize yourself with the 5 different principles. These principles can be found on page 11. The COBIT 5 principles include the following: meeting stakeholder needs, covering the enterprise end to end, applying a single integrated framework, enabling a holistic approach, and separating governance from management. Again, while you do not need to know COBIT end to end, knowing these 5 principles should be helpful. ISO 27001 is a control framework for information security published by the International Organization for Standardization. ISO 27001 is a specification for an information security management system and is a framework of policies and procedures that include all legal, physical, and technical controls involved in an organization's information risk management process. Government agencies and contractors have their own standard. The National Institute for Standards and Technology, otherwise known as NIST, publishes a document called the Security and Privacy Controls for Federal Information Systems Organization, commonly referred to as NIST 800-53. It provides a catalog of security controls for all U.S. federal information systems except those related to national security. Again, I've downloaded the NIST 800-53 publication, and as you can see, it offers a comprehensive set of contents that outlines details about building a security program for government agencies and other organizations. A quick overview highlights the fundamentals of information security. It talks about multi-tiered risk management. It also discusses security control structures, baselines, and designations, the use of external service providers, and how to assess assurance and trustworthiness for information systems. It also discusses the process of implementing security and privacy controls. As previously mentioned, all of the control frameworks discussed here are excellent starting points. To get full use for your organization, it should be tailored to meet the specific requirements for your enterprise.